Hi y'all, welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. I'm Beryl, and today we're going to answer a question from one of our viewers, how to make the perfect rice. So, in order to make the perfect rice, you need to buy the perfect rice. We always use this Zatarain's long grain white rice. And I'm sure there's other brands out there, but this is the best. We use it all the time. And speaking of all the time, I got a bunker of rice over here. It's hiding my Tonys, but I got plenty rice. Oh, I also wanted to show you, it even says separate and not sticky. So not sticky rice. People always complain about mushy rice, but that one specifically says it's not going to be sticky. And you know what? I believe it. So let's get to step number one. Our very first step is to measure out our rice. And it takes 1 cup of rice. Get yourself a dry measuring cup and get 1 cup. All right, so we got 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and we're gonna put our water in here to boil. You wanna boil your water first. So once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna put the rice in, cover it, put it on low for 20 minutes. So let's go over to the stove and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna get my burner on. We don't cook on the gas stove when it's hot, but we gotta do it for you. So I got the lid on because that's gonna help it build up the steam and boil faster. No one likes to watch a pot boil. So let me get that water boiling and we'll come right back.
Did you know Cajun Cooking TV has a cookbook called Cajun Cooking Made Easy? Purchase today to enjoy our full recipes, instructions, links on how-to videos, and much, much more.
Okay, y'all, we're at the boiling stage. I'm gonna put in the rice and stir it up so everybody gets good and separated. Don't want to just dump and go. And you can see that's a lot of starch coming out already. All right. I'm gonna let it come to another little boil and immediately turn it down to number 3 on the stove. The StoveTop usually has 1 to 9, so I'm putting it on number 3 for 20 minutes. There it goes. So it's boiling. I'm gonna turn this fire down to number 3. One key thing, let me tell you. Do not remove the lid and think that you have to go in there and stir it. Keep the lid on. Important note. Okay, y'all, the timer is going off, and as you can see, I don't want to remove the lid, but there's still a little bit of moisture, but I'm gonna turn the fire off, and we're just gonna let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes. All right, y'all, we have some beautiful rice here. So we have shown you how to make the perfect rice. So let's take a look. Woo, that's some pretty steam right there. Now look at this. It's not sticking to each other at all. Look at there. That is some good rice. So, I made Mike some red beans, so we're gonna have red beans and rice tonight. All right, y'all, it is time to eat, and I'm gonna serve Mike some red beans and rice. Be sure to check out our red beans and rice video right here, and we're also doing a demo on Blue Runner Creole style red beans. If you have any questions at all, do like the viewer did for this video and leave us a comment. Tell us what you would like us to cook, and also tell us how do you cook rice to make the perfect rice. Before we go, let me remind you, please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll put the full recipe as it is down in the description below. See you next time.
It's a wrap.